All right, our next example says, given that a is between 0 and pi on 2, and cos of a is equal to a quarter, determine the exact value of tan of 2a. And I go to my formula sheet first and I see, oh dear, there are no identities for tan. However, I do happen to know that tan can be rewritten as sine over cos, and I do have double angle identities for both sine of 2a and cos of 2a. But I've only been told that cos of a is equal to a quarter. So I'm going to need to do a couple of things. Firstly, I need to try and find out what sine of a might be. And then I need to convert my tan into a sine over cos. And then I can use my identities. Okay, now luckily, I know that if cos of a is equal to a quarter, and I have a right angled triangle where this is my angle A, cos of A would be adjacent over hypotenuse, and so I would be able to find my opposite side using Pythagoras. Okay, so should we call that y? Y squared will be 4 squared minus 1 squared, and that's going to be 15. So y will be square root of 15. And that helps me then to find my sine of a. So I can say, therefore, sine of a will have to be root 15 over 4. And I need to decide, is this going to be a positive or a negative? And I look at my domain. This is in quadrant 1, between 0 and pi on 2. So sine of a is positive in quadrant 1, so therefore sine of a is going to be root 15 over 4. All right, that's my first step. Now I want to see, we're looking for tan of 2a. So now I'm going to say, well, tan of 2a is equal to sine of 2a over cos of 2a. And I'm going to go to my formula sheet and I'm going to say, well, my sine of 2a is fairly easy. Sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. Now, cos of 2a is sometimes a little bit tricky because there are 3 options. Pick the one that looks like it is going to be the easiest to work with. If you find you're getting nowhere with it, then go back and try another one. I'm going to pick that cos of 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So let's have a look. So then I can say that's then equal to 2 sine of a cos of a over 1 minus 2 sine squared a. All right, now all I need to do is put my various values in. So I know that sine of a is root 15 over 4. So I've got 2 times root 15 over 4 times cos of a, which is a quarter, over 1 minus 2. Now, sine of a was root 15 over 4 all squared. And I can simplify that to root 15 over 8 over 1 minus, and maybe we'll do this in 2 steps, 2 times 15 over 16. So that becomes root 15 over 8 over, well, 1 minus 15 over 8 is going to be 8 over 8 minus 15 over 8 is negative 7 over 8. And when I divide two fractions, I flip and multiply, so it becomes root 15 over 8 times negative 8 over 7. My 8's are going to cancel, and I get negative root 15 over 7.